Good morning. Happy TikTok Tuesday, everybody. Welcome. The music you're hearing is my brother, Ed Williams. He writes and performs all of these songs. Thank you, Ed. Alright, so these are towel holders, and they go out by the pool, and they're a real mess. And so I've put some gesso over the top, and I am going to use unicorn spit. I also am going to use some acrylic. So I have not repainted these in several years, so this is where I'm starting, and I've got to start with my mermaid. I have to. So I'm just piling those over. Now, when I do anything that is a wall hanging or something that's going to have a screw in it, I like to also paint the screw so it matches whatever it's supposed to match, whether it's supposed to be her body or this post. So my hubby, bless his heart, went and found the screws that I needed, and I gessoed the end of those as well. And that'll help keep the paint and the unicorn spit on the metal, or anything actually. Just use gesso first and dry it. So that's what we're doing. Alright, welcome guys. Thank you, Gleason TD. Shannon Romero, welcome. Thanks, honey. I love you. Alright, I'm excited to be able to get something done that I need to get done outside, and also do it on the live is a win-win. If you're painting with acrylics and you do it often, I recommend not washing it down, the water down your sink, because it will clog it. It'll dry up in those little acrylic flakes, and it will gather and build a monster. So don't put it down your sink. Now, if you're using just a unicorn spit, it's fine. It's non-toxic and it just dissolves, so that's fine. But I'm using both. So let's see. Here is some Dionysus. I'm just putting that down for my mermaid. That is the unicorn spit, super dark purple with some bling in it. Artistic Vivation. See if I have it. Just like that. And then of course I have to try my Cupid out. Cupid's going on everything. This is a new to me color recently. And so, yeah, I'm just trying it with all sorts of colors so I can see how it blends and stuff. So far, I have found that the Cupid with the Capricorn is amazing. Add a little whitening in there to really make it pop. All right, let's see. Let me just see what this looks like. I also have this little Lumiere pearlescent magenta, and these are all a different type of acrylic. So I want some of that pink in there as well. It's been a while since I've used these. It'll all be spray sealed. Again, you guys, if you're just joining, this is up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a clear spray from Rust-Oleum. It's engine enamel. So like when people spray their engines, and they use this. So I'm using this on these because they're out in the heat of day all the time. So that's what I'm doing. All right, so let's paint. I'm going to start with that dark Dionysus down on her body down here. Oh, that's going to be so pretty. Now, she was blue and gold last year's few years. So here's some Cupid. I'm going to blend into her right there, right on that line. And start softening that purple. Might as well come up to her tail. Maybe some Dionysus on her tail as well. Let's give some Dionysus stripes that aren't really there. We'll make them be there this year. I like that idea. All right, I'm getting a little blend. All right, so I'm going to put my brush into that pink acrylic and put that on the top where all that sunshine would hit. I'm thinking, give her a hip bone, bright pink. Isn't it? That super shine. Let's do a little more just on the very tip. I don't want her all just purples, do I? I might, I don't know. Well, she needs a top. That dark Dionysus I'll start with, but her top is crooked. It's been crooked since we bought it. Which is okay. I once wore a bathing suit sideways and didn't realize it. I wore it all day long like that. Everything was covered. Don't ask. Don't ask how it worked. It was one of those you can wear it several different ways, but not that way. Whatever. Your journey, your way, in all sorts of ways. Top. That's how she's looking right now, isn't she pretty? Welcome, guys. Thank you. Welcome, Sherry. Thank you. What if? Ooh, that's Capricorn. That might be cool. Let's do Capricorn. Because it has that flash, y'all, that I'm always talking about. And she's got these little marks anyway. I might as well just go ahead and see if I can. Well, I might do it a little bit too heavy at first, but we'll see. I'll just do it like that. Little scales. Make them smaller as they get to the tail, I guess. But more. Aw. That was a lot. It's okay. Oh, I like it so far. You can see where the thicker unicorn spit is on that dark purple. So I'm just going to dry brush a little bit off. That's cool. All right. Let's see, what do I have? I have Zia Teal. It is not a sparkling. It's just plain. But it's pretty. And it might be pretty right there. Let me just see. Maybe not on all of it. I just want to play. I like the pink and blue combo. Might put my brush in that acrylic, this acrylic pink. And then just dip it into that unicorn spit that I just put in there as well. Just give me more of a scaly look, hoping. This is a towel holder. No one's gonna look at this but me. Just saying. Now if I don't like it, I can just take it all right back off. And that'd be alright too. Not sure I do like it. I think I'll just start tapping a brush in between, giving it a contour darker. I like that better. So it's getting pretty contoured. I like it. I guess she needs some blue up at the top here. Maybe on her fan. How about some clear sparkle? Let's see what happens. This is just a clear sparkling gel of unicorn spit. I might as well just put it here. It's got lots of iridescence in there. It's called Iced Egret, I think. Check. Yes, Iced Egret. So I'm just going to scoop up a bunch of that pretty and sparkle up her tail, starting from the very tip. Let me show you what happened. Can you see it? Let's keep going. That's pretty. Now it will start picking up those colors I laid down underneath, just so you know, if it's unicorn spit. And that is a beautiful thing. I love that about unicorn spit. Just be aware. It is going to happen. I'm just dragging through those dark lines that I put there earlier. Just drag them through. Making it more tail-like maybe. Okay, I put it in the blue and then I put it in the Iced Egret. Look at that. That's a nice idea. I'll show you in a sec. It's getting gorgeous. These are so fun. I can't remember where it was we found these. Over her top was neat. It gave it kind of a shadow. There's the sparkle. Isn't that pretty? Okay. I love. Can't get it into it. Let's scoop it out. I'm gonna have to do her body apparently, which is fine. Here's brown. I'm just gonna make it plain brown for now. And then I can always play with it later. But at least it'll have some sort of a base color. T-Bone Boogie, Ed Williams. That's the music, in case you were wondering what I was talking about. That is my brother. Pretty. Squirrel is a great brown for so many things, if you don't know. And a great underpainting color. All right. So, just brown hair, nothing special. Oh, but look how pretty it is in the light. It's that reddish brown. It's beautiful. All right. So I need a pink flower. That looks pretty bright. And let's see. I can also add my shimmering Cupid to that as well to make it shimmer if it needs to. So let's start in the very middle. And I'm going to put a little of that super dark Dionysus, I think, right under that middle part. Just like that. And then I'm going to put that acrylic, rose, whatever it was, right on top of that. Just normal stuff. And then I want to put some of that super light shiny pink on top of that. Just kind of give it a little bit more dimension is all I'm looking for. I think that shiny pink is the one I want on the petals. Now, and when it dries, I can go back in and add a little bit more definition. So that's my plan. I've got gesso and pink on my brush right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and use it for the fan. That pink. Ah, never give up. All right, here we go. I want that white there. So I want it to look more shell-like, and I like that rusty looking, chunky, whatever. I don't want to lose it all. I want some color, but I also want shell. I want it all. I think I'm going to get it. Just clear, just some sparkles. It's getting there. I'm loving it. Oh, this one's going to be so cute. Just picture that on the fence, all sparkly and everything. Don't you just love it? All right, so I want some black. Midnight's Blackness. That's just the regular unicorn spit. I'm going to try and get an eyeball. I'll give us some lashes. Well, some lashes worked. The other one, not so much. That's okay, it's summer. Aww. Maybe even here. There we go. Kind of looks shell-like. Yes. Maybe. Cute. That's beautiful. Now I'm going to have to fix her skin here. I'm going to let this dry, and then after it's fully dry, I'm going to hit it with this Rust-Oleum. Alright, so I've got a whole bunch more to do, and I'm sure you guys are busy. Happy July. Love you guys. Have a beautiful day and week. Bye.